Hello learners, welcome back to the online session on business handshakes and types. So today we will focus majorly on the types of handshakes that are not appreciated or not accepted in the business environment or in the office environment, because these are not professional and these are not giving you the professional vibes, and that is why you should avoid or ignore these kinds of handshakes in your business environment. Let's get started. So the first kind of handshake is your fist bump. That is, it looks somewhat like this. So fist bump is given to your friends, or it is done majorly with the cousins or the person you really know, or the person whom you are very close with. It is not done with your colleagues, it's not done with your senior or junior or anybody for that matter. So this is a kind of handshake that you need to avoid in your workplace. The second kind of handshake is your in control handshake or your double handshake, which looks like this. So you must have seen people, or you must have met people who kind of give this kind of handshake. It's not wrong, it's not negative, but this is to be avoided in the workplace, because this is a handshake which is given to the close ones, like your friends, your partners, or your really close ones. Alright, because when someone gives you a double handshake, that means this person who is giving you double handshake wants to make you feel that this person is trustworthy. You can blindly trust on me, is what is the message that you are giving to another person. So you can't be trustworthy to everyone you meet, isn't it? So you can be trustworthy only to your close ones, and hence this is not accepted in the business environment. Alright, the next type of handshake is your palm position. Now your palm position can either be upward or it could be downward. Now the person whose hands or palms are facing downwards towards the ground, he is a person who is dominant. He is a person who wants the other person to feel that he is superior. I am superior. So this hand or this palm of mine says superior. I am superior and I am above you. Now the person whose palm is here below and whose palm is facing towards the roof is a person who is submissive. Is a person who thinks that yes, this person is dominant and I need to be submissive. So next time when you make a handshake, make sure that you are neither dominant nor submissive, but the handshake should be vertical. It should be equal. You are also equal, I am also equal. So there is no dominance, there is no submissive. Let us give the vertical handshake. Alright, so this is your palm position handshake, and this is something which is not accepted in your business environment. The next type of handshake is the phantom. The phantom handshake. The phantom handshake is a very quick handshake. Alright, there is, when a person gives you a handshake, okay, when a person initiates a handshake, you are a person who is about to make a handshake, but then you change your mind. Okay, you suddenly take back your hand. You rapaka take back your hand. Why? Because you change your mind. So here you are called as the phantom. Alright, so you must be busy with something, or you must not like that person, and that's why you do it. So this is not really accepted in your business environment. So please don't do this. When someone initiates the handshake, do give the handshake. There is no harm in it. But when someone is initiating, you don't have to take it back suddenly or take it back rapaka. Alright, so yeah. So next type of handshake that is not appreciated in the business environment is the dead fish handshake. The dead fish handshake is when someone gives you, or when someone initiates the handshake, If you are someone who doesn't have any, emotion, doesn't have any strength, and you are just like this, okay, you don't have strength, you are not interested. So basically, when someone gives you a dead fish handshake, that means the person doesn't like you, the person is not interested in you, or the person lacks emotion. Majorly, or the majority of the people who give dead fish handshake are the people who have low self-esteem. They are not really confident about themselves, and that is why they are like least bothered and interested, and this you can make out by the handshake. So the types of handshakes will tell you a lot about person's personality as well. So next time you make a handshake with someone, make sure you give the proper and the standard handshake, neither submissive nor dominant. Alright, the next kind of handshake that is not appreciated is your bone crusher. I have met a lot of male friends of mine who are into these types of handshakes, that is bone crusher, which actually looks like this. They initiate a handshake, and when you give a hand, they try to crush your hand, and then you are like, oh my god, it's paining. Alright, so please don't do this in the workplace, because this is not appreciated. With friends it's fine, but with colleagues, with your seniors, with your juniors, this is not happening, and this is a big no in the workplace. So don't crush someone's hand, because that doesn't speak good about you. And when you crush someone's hand, that means you want dominance. You are someone who is dominating, who is a dominator, and people will not like you. So please avoid dominating over people over the handshake. The next kind of handshake is your sweaty palm. Alright, now sweaty palm is sometimes because of hormonal changes, sometimes because of the body disease, a person might sweat a lot. Okay, it's not his mistake, but when someone initiates the handshake, see that you wipe your hand first, because sweaty palm is not appreciated by the people in the business environment, because they will not like it. They will feel like, oh my god, it's like sweaty. Okay, so if you are someone whose hands sweat a lot, please rub it with a tissue before you initiate a handshake. Or in other phase, the sweaty handshake can be the reason of your nervousness, anxiety. When you are presenting something, maybe you are not that confident, you have that stage fear, you have the fear of presenting and so on, and that is why your hands are sweaty. So please pay attention to your sweaty hands, because this is how people are going to judge you. The next type of handshake, that is namaste. Why namaste? Because nowadays the environment is so crucial. We are into this COVID-19 pandemic environment, wherein giving a handshake is a big no. So what we do is the purest form of greeting gesture, the beautiful gesture of greeting someone is namaste. Alright, so let me tell you, if in case you do not know, namaste is a word that has its origin in India, wherein it is taken from Sanskrit, from the word namas. Alright, again the word namas is combined or comprised of two words, that is na and mama. Alright, na means no, and mama means I or mine. That means it is like, I don't place myself first, or I don't make myself a dominator, but when I do namaste, that means the inner me is greeting the inner you. Alright, it is kind of a divinity. Alright, so yeah, so here when you do namaste, it means a lot. It is a beautiful thing, it is a beautiful feeling, and the gesture is pure. Alright, so in this pandemic, use the purest form of greeting, that is namaste. Alright, this is all for today's session. I hope you have liked the session, you have got a little bit of information from the session. The next time you greet and meet someone, please take care of your handshake, because your handshake will tell a lot about you, a lot about your personality, a lot about the way you think, and so on. This is all for today. Have a nice day.